This is kind of a second part of connecting to your PLC. Let's give this a shot. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open RS Linx here. We'll click on that to get it to pull up. And we've already found out which port it is. So we're good to go on that. We know that this is port 6, and I checked my device manager just to make sure. So what I'm going to do, I've got the PLC plugged in with the cable here. I've got the DIN plugged in, and I've got an adapter going to the USB. So I'm going to hit this button, and it kind of looks like they call it like a two-headed snake, something like that. So I hit that, and I'm going to click the down arrow. And this is the RS232DF1. That's what we're going to highlight here. And we're going to click Add New. Now, I've done this several times, and so it's not -1. It's like -4 by now. So let's give this a try. We're going to click OK. Now, in the last video, we found out the port number, and that was COM6, or number 6 here. So I'm going to do the down arrow, and I'm going to click the COM6. And then this is where I get to, this is really easy to do. You just click the auto configure. And as usual, we run into a little bit of problems. So let me try this again. COM6, auto configure. And there it goes. It's doing its thing. And now it says it's successful. So we can go ahead and click OK. We'll close this box right here, and we're going to go to, let me find it here. All right, I'm going to highlight the MicroLogix 1000, and that means that that's what it's talking to. That's what it's communicating with. At this point, I'm going to minimize my RS Linx, and I'm going to open my RSLogix Micro. I'm going to expand this to where we can see what we're doing. Once we do that, this is the actual software. So we're going to click our comms and our system comms, and we're going to go to this number 4 here, which is where we were at, and the MicroLogix 1000. We're going to click OK. Now it should be connected with it. Now we're about to find out. I'm going to go online with it, and hopefully we're going to click create new file. Hopefully everything will work, and it'll pull up whatever programs inside the PLC. It looks like it is, and I do know that it is communicating with it because I've got this this rotating right here, and that tells me that it is talking to it. And this is the program that was in it, and it's just, you know, coincidental, whatever somebody was programming the last time this was done. It's an untitled program. So right here, just while we're talking about communicating, we are in the program mode, and we could literally change it to the run mode. Now, program mode is when you actually create the program and you're able to program the PLC with your new program. Run mode is when you actually run the program. So if I wanted to change it to run the program, I'd click the run button. I'd click yes. And you can see here that it is switched to run mode. It's still connected, and we've got some highlights on the sides here that tell us that it's online with it. And we could actually disconnect our computer from it, and that PLC will continue to run. We can go offline with it right here. Okay. Nope. I'm going to leave it alone. Okay. So there's our program. It's on there. We've gone offline with it, so that's basically how you communicate. And I could also go back online. I think I'm about out of time here. But you got to go through this little process every time. So we're about done here, but we're back online, and we can see because it's green.